Good morning and welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to That Juan Show. Right now it is about 5 o'clock in the morning, sitting right about 66 degrees, and I'm heading into Hilo from Mountain View because I have another side job Saturday to do. And today's project is going to be wraparound sidewalks for a house that we've already been to once before. Last time we were there, we gave them a nice broom driveway, really cool curved sidewalk with beautiful joints, and today we're going to give them the same quality and same craftsmanship. So come along with us on some more Big Island concrete adventures. All right, everybody, here we go. Got some 3-foot sidewalks wrapped around. Just got done covering the whole house with plastic. Line pump is here. Got rebars in the house all the way down. The only kind of bummer right now is it's raining, but it's supposed to be clearing up. And boom, out to the front. We got Yoshioka pumping. First time using them. They got a pretty nice setup, nice pump, nice new hoses. Yep, we got wraparound sidewalks. Like I said before, I've been here a few times. I actually poured this house slab. We did all their driveway, all their sidewalk. Now he's got us back putting wraparounds on. Comes around the house here, and he goes into his propane pad here, but he didn't want to wrap it around the front here because right here he's got a like a French drain right here, and so he doesn't want no concrete build out up here. He wants to be able to keep it flowing, so it is what it is. Gonna just step off, step back on. Out to the front. Yes, sir. All right, here we go, guys.
If this guy up, cause you guys need concrete, boy.
Just put one side down, switch it all off. We got a pretty sweet little 3-foot little bowl float. Look at that, nice and flat. Glad I put that plastic up, got some splatters. Gotta do a little bit of cleaning, but not bad. Hey, these guys are good. Yoshioka. Yeah, nice.
That's who I live my life for. The things I used to do, I can't do them no more. Miss go to me. That is the pilot controlling me. Up here, Lord, for joy is pouring over me. We have to sit down and write this one properly. Cause singing songs is my ticket to poverty.
Take off this plastic. Yes, sir.
You want to fold it?
Yeah, let's give him some quick folds just in case we need it to cover it up if it rains. And stick them on the ground. Hopefully we don't need it, but at least we'll have it if we do. $26. Just follow me so I don't have to do the math. And so on. But I got all my joints marked out. Probably gonna start putting them in a little early. A little early is better than late, right? Especially there's only 2 of us here, so kind of just do everything a little early. That way you're not stressed about getting them in later. When you're using a bow float cutter like this too, you can put things in a little earlier, you know what I mean? Because you got that nice wide footage to hold some of the weight. Frick, we got a major downpour now. I cover them up. All right, problem diverted. Got it covered up with plastic. The rain's kind of out there for as far as we can see right now, but I think I see the blue. I think I see the blue. Damn rain, man. I'm catching a break. And then come to the edge, just kind of go like that. Well, the rain is freaking relentless today. Not giving us a break. We're having to pull off one strip at a time, finish, put it back, finish a little bit more, take out the plastic. Frick. One of them days. Getting that Hilo weather, the Hilo treatment. But we're gonna do what we can to get a good finish. That's what we do.
Nice and slow, come put me in the up tempo. Nice and slow, baby, never let go. Hey.
Gotta freaking cover it up again. They're freaking pounding. Damn it. Crud. The rain is freaking relentless today. Alright, pulling the plastic off for a second time. Got a little bit of break in the weather. Hopefully we can get it down before that next rainstorm in the background's going. I feel like I could see like a mile or so out, so probably an hour or so. Just is what it is. Sometimes you gotta add a little bit of water after the rain because it gets kind of sticky, which seems kind of weird to add water when it's been raining so hard. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, man. Alright, one side done. Pull the plastic back. Got a little bit of sprinkles coming out of there now. Got the joints all in, trial. Ready for Broom. We've been freaking fighting the rain today. I see the trees all the way to the ocean almost though, but one big old fat rain cloud right there. Frick. Hopefully that's not doesn't come and just destroy us. Okay, I still got a little bit of time on my broom.
Good?
Yeah. Perfect timing, really. The only thing is, I got my, for whatever reason,
One thing I'd like to plug down. It has a screen in the back. You can see it in the fucking eye.
I think my broom's getting wet now. Well, heck yeah, everybody. Here we go. All finished. Nice control joints. Good broom on it. I can't believe how lucky we got today. We got rained on probably like 6 times. Had to uncover it like 3 or 4 times. And we just went over and hit it and cover it back up and everything like that. But as you can tell, nice good finish on it. We got lucky today, that's for sure. And look at off in the distance. The rain might come back, but there's like a strip of blue out there. It's at least why it's going to be hard enough that we don't have to worry about it. But let me tell you what, today was freaking something else. Look at that, looks good though. Joints about every 5 feet. Coming off the corner both sides, so that way no cracking. Just killer job all in all. We definitely won. The Hilo weather tried to kick our butts today, but we said no way. Yeah, all wrapped around. And then here's the sidewalks and stuff that we poured last time we were here. Remember these ones? Killer, look at that. No cracks, no nothing in it. Joints all still nice and killer. Look at that thing. First time I got to walk down it was today. Well, last time I was here doing the bid, but look at this driveway. Sweet. Killer freaking job, huh? Did a lot of concrete for this guy, and it all turned out really nice. Definitely did something to be proud of. Now he's got concrete wrapped around his whole house. He's good to go. Okay. Alright, finally gonna take off my boots. Look at this. This is how you know you had a good day pouring concrete. Frick. Both boots. Yes, sir. Well, holy smokes, everybody. That was a freaking heck of a day. And let me tell you what, we got absolutely freaking smashed by that Hilo rain. I thank the Lord for giving us the rain breaks that he did today, because if it wasn't for them rain breaks, I don't even know what would have happened. But like I said, we were blessed. We put the concrete down and just had to do a lot of covering and uncovering today. It was just trial it, put the plastic on, take it off, trial it again, and just repeat till the end of the day. And thank the Lord for bringing out the blue skies right at the end of the day. It wasn't blue all the way, but there was blue in the distance, and it gave us that perfect window to pull the plastic off one last time and put a good finish on it. So today was just a great day all in all. Me and Kubo were up for the challenge, and like I said, we just fought the Hilo rain the whole time, and we weren't gonna lose. So anyways, if you guys are on the Big Island and you guys have some concrete projects you need done, there ain't no job too small, ain't no job too big. Just give me a call. We'll come over there and give you guys an estimate, and we'll take care of all your guys' concrete needs. My phone number is 808-238-2866. So anyways, if you guys like these kind of videos, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. All right.